Okay, in my first video, I said that you had to go through each video to change the sampling of your videos by others one by one, but you don't have to do that. So now I'm back with this video about how you can do multiple videos in your back office to tell it that you will not allow short sampling. So this is how you do it. You would click on video here. First you would come to content, okay? And then all your content would come up. Then you were going to click on video. When you do that, it'll put a check in the first 30, okay? You can go here and make it 50 if you want, okay? And then you come back up and you click the video again, and now 50 videos, as you can see here, 50 selected, uh, will be affected. So how do you get it to say sampling not allowed? You would click here on edit, scroll the bar down to short sampling. Then you would click this box that's going to come up. You would click the down arrow and you would click don't allow sampling, or you can click allow sampling. But YouTube has allow sampling as the default. So if you don't want people sampling your videos or portions of your videos in their shorts, you want to click don't allow sampling. Okay, and then you click on update video. Then you have to read this message because it says you're about to update the selected videos. The update cannot be stopped once it has started. I understand the implications of this action, so I'm going to click there to let them know that I understand, and then I'm going to update the videos. Okay. So, and then it says that it is safe to navigate away, wait before making another bulk update. So you have to wait until these 50 have been updated. So you can navigate away and go do something else and come back and check it. But from what I've done, it doesn't take that long to do them. Okay, so that is what I came to tell you today and give you this update on short sampling. This is Geo, and I am one of the Information Girls. Make it a great day.